Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, we will show you wooden single bed design ideas. Dear viewers, wooden beds offer a timeless elegance that blends seamlessly with any decor. From minimalist styles to intricate carvings, theirs are designed for everyone. Imagine a sleek, modern wooden bed that enhances the spaciousness of your room, or perhaps a rustic design that adds warmth and charm. Consider the versatility of wood. It's not just about aesthetics. Wooden beds are durable and long-lasting, providing comfort for years to come. With options like oak, pine, and walnut, you can choose the perfect finish to match your personal style. And let's not forget about functionality. Many wooden single beds come with built-in storage solutions, helping you keep your space organized while adding a touch of sophistication. So whether you are finishing a guest room or updating your own space, these wooden single bed designs are sure to inspire you. Single beds are functional pieces of furniture designed to provide a comfortable sleeping surface. Despite their compact dimensions, single beds are just as comfortable and supportive as their larger counterparts. For added style and comfort, pair them with a quality single bed sheet that complements the decor. Single beds have frames designed to support various mattress types and thicknesses. Single beds are constructed with durable materials to ensure stability and support. They have a sturdy construction, reinforced joints, and hardware that minimize safety risks like falling. A range of single beds has rounded corners, smooth edges, harm-free finishes, and guardrails. Rivage woodwork in furniture. Single beds are constructed from premium materials. These materials are durable and can withstand the rigor of everyday use. They are perfect for beds that are frequently used. They can comfortably support the combined weight of the mattress and the user. The wooden single bed is a classic choice. Wooden single beds are typically crafted from solid wood like oak, pine, walnut, or cherry. The varying undertones and unique grain patterns of the timber make solid wood single beds inherently beautiful. They add warmth and depth to the space. Solid wood single beds are perfect if you want a cozy and organic ambience in the space. They are durable and with proper maintenance can last a lifetime. Another variant of the wooden single bed is constructed from high quality engineered wood. The materials include MDF or plywood. They are also durable and strong. While solid wood single beds cost more, engineered wooden beds are budget friendly. Single beds for all rooms is designed to offer maximum comfort and functionality, tailored to cater the room's requirements. Our collection seamlessly adapts to different settings. The wide range includes day beds, foldable, bunk, trundle, and storage beds. Transform your bedroom into a cozy haven with our single beds. Our bedroom's single bed design come in a range of styles and designed to suit different decors. Whether you beds that blend and stand out, we have it all. When you choosing your single bed, assess its quality. A high quality single bed is not only durable but also visually appealing. Ensure the materials used are strong and sturdy. Consider solid wood, premium engineered wood, or metal for the frame. Look for single beds with a sturdy construction and reinforced joints. This guarantees load bearing capacity and structural integrity. Opt for finishes that are smooth and polished. Make sure they are resistant to moisture, scratches, and stains. Before selecting the single bed, measure the available space in the room, whether in the living room, guest room, or bedroom. The single bed dimensions should be proportionate to the room layout. Single beds are especially designed for small spaces. Their compact design fits snugly into tight corners and limited spaces. Their efficient space utilization make room for other furniture or creativity. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more interesting videos. Thank you.